Inspired Hygiene works with dental teams. We help dentists elevate the level of hygiene services, systems, and profits by really getting the whole team surrounded around the hygiene department and figuring out what is the role of every member on the team to really get that profitability and that service to the next level. So at Inspired Hygiene, we feel like the biggest impact is when we can have a coach come to you, be in your environment, see your team at work, and really see what some of those things are that they're doing that's great, that you want to maximize, and see where some of the obstacles might lie that they're experiencing, but they really don't know how to put it into words, or they don't know that that problem can even be solved.
Hi, I'm Jamie Marble with Inspired Hygiene, and I am in Warner Robins, Georgia with Dr. Alex Bell and with one of his 8 hygienists, Visa. It's our second in-office visit. We have a 12-month program that we are going through. Tell me what the biggest takeaways and what is it you guys are doing with this that feels right for you? Because you had a lot of growth.
Yes, we have. You know, we were a typical general dentistry practice. We had a very efficient re-care system. Our hygienists were staying busy, but there was still something lacking in our hygiene department. We would diagnose perio, refer the patients out, and then they would drop out of treatment. Sometimes they'd come back into the re-care system, but they weren't getting the treatment they needed done for their periodontal disease. So we knew we needed to do something, and that's why we brought in Inspired Hygiene.
So one of the things that we also see when dentists call Inspired Hygiene is that they know that there is a gap. They know that they're in one place with their hygiene department and they see the goal, but they can't quite get there. And very often they have tried a lot of things.
It's true. I mean, it's one thing to try to implement it, but when you have somebody come in that is a hygienist and can talk to the other hygienists, and you're on the same level with them, and you've been in the trenches, and you can explain that to them, they listen. And they listen better than they have before.
So I asked Dr. Johnson if he would mind sitting down with me and giving just a couple of minutes testimony of how the training went and what he thought of it.
That's pretty easy because if I could describe it in one word, it would probably be, or 2 words, it would probably be life-changing.
Wow.
Hygiene's kind of been stuck in the same old thing, right?
It's true.
But that's not where hygiene needs to be. And what Kim has done for us is put us where we need to be.
Yeah, so our Inspired Hygiene clients see a lot of, I think, tangible and intangible results. You know, real specifically, we see them multiply the care that they're delivering by, exponentially. If they're looking to grow their perio department and get a really clear system that's super consistent amongst all their hygienists, we see them increase the amount of therapy sometimes by 10 times. And we want them to see a return on their investment very quickly. So what we do is we do some things before the coaching takes place to really set them up for success, to really engineer the schedule for growth, to really look at the team and help them develop a really strong sense of belief that keeps these improvements lasting for the long haul. The other thing that we see is a dramatic increase in the consistency with which the hygienists really promote treatment to the patients and make it easy for the doctors to then come in and just confirm the diagnosis and really fill the doctor's book consistently. We see hygienists that are happier in their careers. We see teams that have less stress because they have better communication. We see them working together, and we see our patients really having better overall health because the hygienists feel confident in their role as healthcare provider and how they're educating and really communicating with the patient.